In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Elementor in WordPress. It's actually quite easy. So all you need to do, let me just delete this first so that I can show you how you can install it. There you go. So all you need to do is go to plugins and then click on add new. Now this will bring you over to the add plugin page. All you need to do is search for Elementor. There you go. Now you should then be able to find it. Okay, so let me just confirm Elementor instead of Ella, and there you go. So right there you'll find the Elementor page builder. All you need to do next is click on install now. So this was last updated 4 hours ago. By the time I'm making this video, it has a 5-star rating with 5,269 reviews. Now next up, you want to click on activate. It's really simple. All you need to do is pretty much activate this, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you can install Elementor, and that's it. Now all you need to do next is click right here on Elementor, and that's how you can install Elementor on WordPress. So you can now start using this to build pages and to do a lot of different stuff. So let's say that I want to edit this. Let's see if that will actually send me over to Elementor. Yes, right there you can then click on edit with Elementor, and then there you go. Let's just load this to show you guys that it actually works. But yeah, that's it. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.